Welcome to Just Ask Jerry's. You ask questions, we'll give you answers. Today's question comes from Tyler, 2020 Kia Forte. He wants to know, how often should I check my oil? We recommend a minimum of once a month. In the heat of the Arizona summers, check every 2 weeks. If you have an oil leak, you should check the oil levels weekly. Check your oil. Protect your engine. Take a look at the diagram. The left shows where the oil level should be on the dipstick. You also need to know the condition of the oil on the dipstick. Dipstick checks are the best way to see how much oil is in your engine. You will need to look for the min and max lines. Some dipsticks have 2 dots, some have X's for the level. The color of the oil is important. Fresh oil is amber or golden. The darker the oil, the more it is broken down. Newer cars may not have a dipstick. You will need to access the Oil Life option on your dashboard screen. Get into a habit of checking this monthly. When your oil life gets low, schedule your oil change. Don't wait until you see dashboard lights to check the oil level. If you happen to see any of these lights, there is a severe lack of oil. If you see the red lights, you need to pull over as soon as possible and shut the car off to avoid severe damage. Thank you for joining us for this week's episode of Just Ask Jerry. Have questions? Reach out to us via social media with the hashtag JustAskJerrys. Thank you for watching.